Okay, we're here at the Black Sand Beach in Iceland, which is a good, like almost 3 hours east of Reykjavik. It's the middle of December, around 2 p.m., and the sun is about to set because we're here in the deep of winter. This beach is incredible. So first of all, it's Black Sand Beach because you've got black sand. It's not like the black sand beaches you might see at other places, like in Hawaii, which is like kind of like more black rock. This is actually sand. It's as fine as the sand as you'll find in Cancun. It just happens to be black in color. And it's all obviously from volcanic activity. But this beach is beautiful. So you've got giant waves. In fact, there's multiple warning signs as you come in here, talking about what they call sneaker waves. Apparently just last year someone got swept out and killed just by standing kind of where we are, which is, you know, like tens of feet away from the edge of the shore. And as you can see with that wave just then, it's okay, here we go, we're gonna run. Just what happened there. So these waves are really fast. They just come up at you really, really quickly. This wave where it just stopped here, it was stopping way back there earlier, and then just now it came all the way up here. So you got to be super careful because the undercurrent is really strong, and the riptide will just pull you straight out to sea. And if you look at those waves right now, they're massive, and you only have to get pummeled by those one or two times before you. Okay, here we go. We're getting see the people running. That's also my sign to run. So there you go. That's the riptide. But on the shore, you've got this beautiful rock formation. It's, I think, mostly balsat rock. I don't know how you say it. Balsat, B-A-L-S-A-T, balsat rock. And it's got these cave formations here. Like this is an indoor cave. My friend said it's like being inside a giant geode, which is pretty accurate. It's got all these square, rectangular, sort of different polygon type shapes all sticking out. And it makes for this really beautiful geometric pattern that we're going to take a close-up look right here. The side view is cool, look at that. And then these are actually the bottom of these giant columns of rock that stretch up to the sky. And so here's an example of what these columns look like from the side view. Check that out. I've never seen anything like this elsewhere, although I'm told there are other places, maybe even California, that have balsat columns like this. It's like an alien world when you look at this. It just stretches super high to the sky. But there you have it, just this incredible, almost alien-like terrain here in Iceland with really dangerous riptides, which you obviously want to be careful about. That setting sun. We've been lucky because it's been raining all week, and then just today the rain stopped for only a couple hours, thankfully during the 3.5 hours of daylight that we're getting here right now in winter. So we're able to film this. Way off in the distance there, you can see some awesome rock formations out in the water. Take a little zoom in look here. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's this hole in the rock over there, way off in the distance. That's probably a good 2 miles out. And then these just like rocks poking out of the ocean, all from volcanic activity from over the last millions of years. And look at that, just black sand. It's even cooler in the winter when it's covered in snow, and all you see is white with little streaks of black peeking through the melted snow as the surf comes in and out. Unfortunately, can't show you that here, although it is supposed to snow later today. So we'll see. All right, we're gonna end on this little shot here of the setting sun silhouetting those two rocky outcroppings there. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys get to check this out someday for yourself. This is the Vixham Beach. Signing off. Ciao.